Yo, what up? It's your boy Megalawge making music, making custom diodes, last kind squad presenter. Right here, we got a special diamond right here. It's from a people's Click Sound Stage, Dnkybongstv, Gym Works, Fleet DJs. Yo, this is actually Click gave me these speakers right here a while ago, so I can use them. So I figured, I'll turn the fade and put them back in the diorama. Diorama is 18 inches wide, 11 inches long, 10 inches tall. Pretty cool size diode. It's actually the backyard. They converted to like a club, soundstage, networking place. It's pretty dope. Actually, these speakers right here actually plays uh, music. Let's check this out right here. Got the click playing in the background right here. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we got the over here the bar. Over here, got the wife Lisa. She worked the bar all the time, every event. Right here, we got the click with the soundstage on the shirts. Both shirts right there. Go around, we got the board, TVs up there, speakers. We got the turntables with the Seratos right there. The GenWorks logo and everything. So that's about it. Panel lockout. Kind of concrete came out the floor. Everything's magnetized as well too. So what's the gig? Turn this off real quick. It's your boy Megalawge making music, making custom diodes. Last kind squad right here. Click Sound and Stage. Right there. The Gym Works. Dnkybongstv, Tech, Fleet DJs. We out. Peace.